What's up, guys? Welcome back to another clearance video. If you're new here, my name's Drew, also known as Hunter of the Clearance. I go out and find all the clearance deals from the big box stores and bring them straight to you. I also do thrifting and yard sale videos as well. In this video, I got a hot lead.
All right, guys, inside, let's see if we can find it. I'm gonna go straight back to the toy department. Hopefully, it will be where it's supposed to be, next to all the monster trucks. Potato heads. Lots and lots of Mrs. Potato Heads. Alright, here we go. Right in here. Alright. We are looking for a Ford Raptor. Like I said before, marked down from $40 to $4.15. Or $4.50, not 15. It's gonna be a larger one. I'm not seeing it. Got my friend over there with the zebra. We're gonna get him to scan our barcode. Excuse me, sir, do you mind scanning this for me? Tell me what your on-hand count is. Alright, so I'm not seeing it right here. I'm gonna go down there and check towards the end at the bottom, but I want to pull it up for you so you can see what we're looking for. I'll show you the UPC as well as the SKU so you can type it into BrickSeek and see if it's in your area. If you guys are getting value out of the video thus far, enjoying it thus far, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Right here what we have in BrickSeek. $4.50. I'm just letting it load right now, and I will show you SKU as well as UPC. BrickSeek has been really off these past couple weeks. I have the Extreme Edition, so that's $30 a month coming out of my pocket, and I'm not too happy with the performance that BrickSeek's been giving me. So here's the SKU, UPC, and it does say limited stock at the location I'm at right here. There's a few other spots that I'm gonna check just to see if we can locate it. So stick with me, guys, let's see if we can find it. Two more spots. Check back in here. Sometimes it has stuff hiding. It's not necessarily at the power wheels. There's nothing over here. Go back and check one more spot. But this might be a dud. Another BrickSeek dud. So how are you? Good. Get $150 for that. Half off right there. That's half off right there. This one. That's $396 online. one right here is 180. Online 500. It's pretty good. All right, now sometimes you'll be able to find items tucked way back in the lawn and garden area, especially during Christmas time. But it looks like they kind of reevaluated the whole situation through here. So I'm definitely not seeing any remote controls. I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna get somebody to scan the barcode, and it might even be 0, so there's no point in even looking any further. But give me a second. All right, so I just had one of the managers give me a quick scan of that barcode, and a big fat wow 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 0. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a day. I want to appreciate you guys for watching. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. More awesome videos, hopefully like this one, the last one, and the next one coming up. Until then, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace out. Sha sha sha.